Let's find the value of x here. So what do we do first of all? Now, look, this is 90 degrees. This is 110. This is x. Can you see what I'm seeing already? This is a quadrilateral. Let me just highlight it. This is a quadrilateral. And the sum of angles in a quadrilateral is what? 360. So we know this 110, we know this 90, but we don't know this angle. So the question is, how do we get this angle? If I can get this angle, I can easily get x, because when you add all these angles, the sum is equal to what? 360. So let's use this 110. This 110 is going to lead us into what we need to do. So if this is 110, now you might not see it, you will not even be told that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. How do I know that? This is the center of the circle, right? And this is a radius, another radius. So you see that this triangle is bounded by two radii. So this line and this line, or the two sides of the triangle, they are equal, which means this triangle is an isosceles triangle. They will not mark this. So always look out for that. The line drawn from the center to any part on the circumference is a radius. So now, from what we know about isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal, which means that this angle here and this angle, they are what? Equal. Now, I can get this angle and then subtract from 180 divided by 2, but I don't want to do that. Look at this 110 is an exterior angle to this triangle. How do I know it's an exterior angle? If you extend one of the sides like this, can you see? The angle formed between the extended side and the other side is an exterior angle. So 110 is an exterior angle to this triangle. I had to stress that out. So it means that angle OSP, that's this angle here, and is equal to what? OPS, angle OPS. And to get that, if you subtract, now, the exterior angle of this triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles, which means these two angles we add up to give you 110. Now, if we want to get angle OSP or angle OPS, you take this 110, you divide it by 2. That gives you what? 55 degrees. So which means this is 55 here, and this is 55. If you add these two angles, it gives you the exterior angle. Again, let me say that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. This and this angle, they are interior angles, and they are opposite to this exterior angle. Now we have this angle, so we can get this other one here, so which means QSO, angle QSO is equal to what? How do we get this angle? This is a straight line. Can you see? And the sum of angles on a straight line is 180. So to get this other angle here, that's QSO, you have to do 180 degrees minus what? 55 degrees, which is equal to what? 125 degrees. Very good. So this is 125. Now we have all the angles apart from x in this quadrilateral. We can easily get the value of x. So like I told you before, if you add all the angles in a quadrilateral, it gives you 360. So to get x easy, just do 360 degrees minus the sum of the other angles. So that's 90 here plus 110 plus 125 degrees. So that's 360 degrees minus what now? 90 plus 110 is 200. 200 plus 125 is what? 325. So that's 325 degrees. Your final answer is what? 35 degrees. So the value of x here, therefore x is equal to what? 35 degrees. I'll see you in the next video.